Hey everyone, it's Cody here from KCK IT Training. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief overview of some of the features in Windows 8 that you may not be aware of. First of all, I'd like to start with the Start menu. If you use Windows 7 currently and are considering Windows 8, this is one of the major changes that you'll notice. Within Windows 8, by default, your computer will boot up and be at the Start menu with all kinds of tiles based upon the software you have installed and your preferences. Using the Windows key on my keyboard, I can simply maneuver between the Windows desktop as well as the Start menu. Another thing you may not be aware of is the Charms menu. You can access the Charms menu by hovering in the lower right hand corner. By doing this, you'll access things such as settings. Within settings, you can do network settings, power management, and change PC settings. Within Change PC Settings, you can personalize your computer to your liking. You can change your lock screen image, your account picture, and even add a picture password. Also, within PC Settings, you can manage user accounts by changing pictures, passwords, and other settings. Within here, you can also access Windows Update and Recovery. Here's where you'll check for updates, download, and install them. As you can see, I just hovered in the upper left hand corner, which expanded the thumbnail. This thumbnail represents the application that's running in the background. Within Windows 8, you can easily close this application to free up some memory and make your computer a little faster. If you're no longer using the application and you'd like to close it, you simply hover in the upper left hand corner, right click, and select Close. This closes the application all in a whole and allows you to free up that speed for your computer. Another setting in Windows 8.1 to be aware of is the ability to access administrative tools quickly. To do this, simply hover over the Start icon in the lower left hand corner, right click, and you have access to many things you could need to configure your computer. You can access Device Manager, Command Prompt with administrator privileges, and even Task Manager. I find this extremely helpful when in need of something quickly. Control Panel can also be accessed from here. Next, I'd like to talk about the ability to boot up to your desktop in Windows 8. To do this, simply right-click the Task Manager, taskbar, click Properties, Navigation, and simply place a check mark in the box that says when I sign in or close all apps on a screen, go to the desktop instead of Start. What this will do is it will bypass this Start screen upon booting. This is simply a preference thing. If you prefer to boot to your Start menu, you can leave that setting alone. However, I think it's important to know about if you prefer a Windows 7 classic look. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our website at kckittraining.com.